Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How-To Workshop with the video today on how to install gutter screens. And yes, I know it's been a long while, but a lot has changed in my life, and so I really don't have as much time as I used to be able to make some video content for you guys. But hopefully now that I'm somewhat on a normal schedule, I can go ahead and continue bringing you guys some good content that hopefully will help you out as well. All right, so basically my customer that owns this house first asked me if I could clean out all his gutters. And as you can see, his house has got multiple type of roof pitches. Like there's a little, this is part of the garage, that's part of the main house over there, this is part of the entrance, and then over there is part of another room. Okay, so he's got gutters on this roof here, and then going across here, and then going across on the other side, and then this, of course, this one wraps around. All right, so basically this screening system right here that you see I got at Lowe's, it comes in 20-foot by 6-inch rolls. Okay, and basically what you want to do to prep your shingle or the edge of the shingles is by taking a putty knife and sliding it right underneath the edge here and going in about an inch and just lifting it up like all the way across. Okay, in other words, all the way there, because with this screen it lays flat like this, so you're going to tuck in about, like I said, about an inch of it, and the rest will lay right over the gutter and stop right about the edge. All right, there's other screens that I think also tuck, and then they actually drop down here and then they hook right underneath this lip. But I think those will actually still maybe catch some leaves right here on the edge. But this one, because it's flat right across, so when the leaves come rolling down the roof line, it'll just go down to the next roof line, which is this one. As you can see how they're already building up over here. Yeah, over here there was a ton of leaves before, so when I clean the gutters, I also clean the valleys over here where I found leaves all backed up. And like I said, it hadn't been done in a while, so there was a ton of leaves for me to clean out first. So, and as you can see, the way I fasten these to the lip is these 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch self drilling, self tapping screws, and that just helps to secure the screen onto the edge of the gutter here, so that way it doesn't lift up, and it helps to keep it. It's not that the wind is going to lift this up, but it's just for added security. All right, and when you come to the corner, like I said, I ran a full piece this way, and then when I started with a new piece here, they recommend you overlap about 2 inches over or under the other one. But I've been going over, like with every subsequent piece, I just overlapped over the other one. And as you can see, I went all the way down to the other side over there, and I'll bring you over there in a second. Okay, so you can see now that it goes right over there all the way around. Over here I had to replace a bracket that was missing, and the spikes was broken. So you can see I went all the way around over here, this one as well. And these gutters, when they were installed, I guess they didn't know about pitch, but this right here should be the highest point of the gutter, pitching towards the downspout, which is right over here. Okay, here's the downspout right there, but it turns out that the water is pitching that way. So I don't know if you can see it in there, but there's remnants of water yesterday when I took the garden hose and tested it. So of course, when it rains a lot, the water's just going to come down. Yes, most of it's going to go in the gutter, and then of course you got this valley here that's going to channel some water. It's going to come down this valley, and then go down over there. And over time, leaves are going to collect here as well. So you're going to have to come back and clean this up. Somebody's going to have to do that. So if you're installing gutters, make sure you get your pitch right, at least 1/8 of an inch per foot. Okay, so that you have a good pitch for the water to go down. And so there's the downspout from this roof down to this one. It comes down and it channels the water right over here. And you can see I already finished the screening on this side as well. And as you can see, there's leaves staying right there. So with the wind, it'll probably blow that off. If not, it makes it for easy work to come back with a blower, a leaf blower, and just blow everything off. But at least you won't have to, go inside the gutter, which means that it will keep the water always running down and down the downspouts. And as you can see down there, I had to replace that section of downspout, because it's all clogged and twisted and broken. And then I'll show you the other one also when I go to the other side. There was like 2 pieces of downspout that I had to fix before, after I finished installing the screens. And there we go. I'll show you the other one real quick. Okay, so there's the other downspout right there that I had to remove because there was leaves stuck in that long pipe and the horizontal pipe. So that's the new piece right there that I extended with a little 90 degrees going right into that gap of the pavers. So when the water comes down, it actually comes off the walkway and then goes into the grass. And same thing down here. I don't know if you can see it. Right there, right where that downspout is, you can see there's a gap right there in the pavers. I did the same thing, directing the water right there so the water can come out. If it's gushing down, it'll come down in the driveway and just run out to the street. But yep, so there you go, guys. Basically how to install your screening for your gutters. And like I said, there's multiple types out there. They sell the ones that come already in 3 foot or 4 foot sections. There's plastic or PVC with mesh. There's some other like green ones, but this one actually, when you work with this too, make sure you use some rubber gloves because these edges and points are very sharp. I've actually poked myself a few times while doing that. And by having the rubber glove here on the left hand, it was easier to just hold it and tuck it. And once I got about a foot of it in, I secured it. That way it didn't slide off on me. And then kept tucking until I got to the end. Here on this side, for example, I put 1, there's 2, and there's 3 pieces. And the instructions said go ahead, cut a manageable piece for you to be able to work with. And that's what I did. I could have, it would have been nice if I could just put the roll on the end over there and then just roll it out, keep rolling it really one piece all the way, but that would be difficult to try to manage. Okay. All right, guys, as always, thank you for coming to my channel and watching my videos. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you can get notifications of when I upload new videos. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, take care and see you next time.